the runners away. Searching for the leader, there goes Pretty Wong, fast to begin. Moving up on the outside, Amiga, Titanium rushing up 3 wide. Is Mabalor, then followed over now by Ultimate Kata. Brilliant move comes next. Put a tiger in your tank. Boom Boom Tyler, Money Machine, and Panalangin is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch, a solo leader now, Amiga, by about 5 lengths. Freddy Wong in second, running now in third, Mabalor. Running by the rail fourth. Brilliant move, Ultimate Cat. Titanium comes next. Put a tiger in your tank. Boom Boom Tyler, Money Machine, and Panalangin still running at the tail of the field. Last 600 meters, Seret still. Amiga by about 4 lengths. Here comes Brilliant move to take second. Freddy Wong shuffle back to third. Then here comes Titanium, now getting closer in fourth. Inside the last 350, no change with the leader. Amiga by about 3 lengths, followed by Brilliant move, Freddy Wong, Titanium, and Diana entering the home stretch. Amiga followed by Brilliant move, Freddy Wong moving up on the outside. Down the stretch they come. Amiga followed by Brilliant move, Freddy Wong is on the outside third. Down to the finish. Amiga wins the race. Brilliant move, Freddy Wong. Then comes Titanium. Put a tiger in your tank for your pentapekta.
Alright, banderang tapos, 7-8, Amiga, ridden by Pubs M. Caballero. Masisegundong 6, Brilliant Move, then 2, Freddy Wong. Okay. Freddy Wong.
Tingnan natin part na ito na, 7A, Amiga. Ang ating pong ride dito, PM Caballero, quarter clock is 13.5, 24, 26.5, finishing at 28 to 1, 32 sarado sa distansyang 1,400 meters. Okay, I would like to make some correction para doon sa ating datingan. 1:32.6 po ang total time po nito. Again, 1:32.6.